Japanese Prime Minister Abe Shinzo. Recently, stone was laid nearby Sabarmati, nearby Ahmedabad to Mumbai. The distance about 489 kilometers going to be constructed in this line. Now my question is, before going to start my topic, I want to ask you a question to you. Is there any need of bullet train in our India? Is there any need of bullet train in our India? On the basis of my topic, I said no. Why? Because I am going to start my topic. Instead of bullet train, why not LHB? LHB means take that. LHB means you should know some hard words are there. ICF and LHB. This is a coach category of our Indian Railways. Coach category. ICF means one category of the train. LHB means another category of the train. Coach. I am asking coach. Sorry, I am saying about coach. ICF. It stands Integral Coach Factory. Means that coach is related to our Indian company. And LHB coach means it stands Long Hoffman Bush. It related to American companies. In 2014, I think, Indian government had asked to American companies for preparing like this type of coaches. Why? Because these coaches are not stable and some weekly superfast express special trains. AC means alternating current. You can see in our other itself. Recently, 6 months back, electric trains have started. Electric trains means electric locomotive that can run on the basis of alternating current and as well as DC current also. DC current means stored energy, stored inside the battery, stored electricity inside the battery. But in the case of alternating current, it comes. This is, for example, best example are different. This is alternating current. We are taking from the transformer. Before coming to its transformer, it is DC. Have you clear with these things? Yeah. My topic is okay. Instead of bullet train, why not LHB? LHB means, have you clear with that? LHB. Yeah, move. Indian Railways development about past, present, future. In past, you know very well, central government had used steam engines, steam locomotives. But in future, AC, DC and diesel locomotives have been used. But in future, might be chances to use bullet trains, which will complete runs on pure AC. Pure AC means completely alternating current, not DC.
Without generals.
No.
Completely alternating current. It works on the principle of completely alternating current, but not DC. DC won't have that much of capacity to run maximum speed. Steam engine looks like this. Steam engine, steam trains, which has steam locomotive. This is diesel locomotive, and this is alternating current locomotive. This is how bullet train looks like. Bullet train. In 2022, might be we can see in 2022 at Ahmedabad to Mumbai line. Now I am focusing only in present trains, guys. Only in present trains. Instead of bullet train, why not LHB? This is my question. That's why I am focusing only in present trains. Now, trains establishment, location and cost. I will say you its establishment and location and cost. ICF coaches and LHB coaches. See, have you seen this kind of coaches? This everyone can see here itself in Nagari, but this is LHB coaches. This will use in Rajdhani coaches, Rajdhani trains like Legendary Express. ICF coaches. Some history of the ICF coaches. ICF established in 1952. Production start in 1951 and it will end in 2018 to 19. It might be finished off. Integral Coach Factory. It stands. It is located at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. If central government wants to construct an ICF coach, it takes around 80 lakhs to 1.5 crores. Each coach takes 80 lakhs to 1.5 crores takes to produce an ICF coach, one ICF coach. But whereas LHB imported from German countries in 1999. Indian Railways started using these coaches since then. Still, these kind of coaches are in production line. Railway Coach Factory. This LHB company is available in Kapurthala, Punjab. Each coach takes 2.5 crores to 3 crores takes to produce a LHB coach. This is how bullet train. Now I am entering in bullet train. Bullet train coach takes to produce 2 to 3 times of normal coach. 2 to 3 times greater than a normal LHB coach. This much of cost is taken bullet train. It is also being imported from German countries. Construction of 1 kilometer of high-speed railway track will cost around 100 to 140 crores, guys. 100 to 140 crores for only 1 kilometer construction of bullet train. Are you getting me? What I am saying? It is 10 to 15 times higher than a standard railway track. It is 10 to 15 times higher than a standard railway track. Comparing to this point and comparing only this point. In this point. This construction is being started already at Sabarmati, means Ahmedabad to Mumbai. Mileage means total distance is 489 km from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. It means 489 km means 489 into 140 crores. Cost of 1 km of construction of bullet train, which is equals to 68,460 crores is going to be wasted by our central government. According to my topic, not exactly central government is going to be wasted that money. According to my topic, if central government use this budget in construction of LHB coaches, then 1300 LHB 5 trains would come. 1300 LHB 5 trains. 1300 guys. 1300 trains. Each train contains 18 LHB coaches. You can see whatever it is, train. It contains 18 to 19 coaches. Definitely. I am not saying about passenger trains. Not saying about passenger trains. Only I am saying about express trains. Next. Train accidents between ICF and LHB trains. Train accidents. ICF coaches. This is how ICF coaches with Kalingutkal Express. Recently, 1 month back, Kalingutkal Express is derailed in Bihar, I think. Bihar. Next coach. After derailment of Kalingutkal Express, 22 people were dead. Over 40 injured. Just remember this result, guys. 23 confirmed dead, 40 over injured, only 40. But 23 confirmed dead because of coaches climb over each other. Because of coaches climb over each other in accidents, causing more casualty. Casualty means occurrence. Because of thread coupling system. This is also major drawback for the ICF coaches. This is thread coupling system. See how if any small jerk is being given together with the coaches, it might be lose its connection. Next, see, coaches will be crashes together after derailment of the train. Crashes completely. Shape up. See how coaches are. Next. and now legendary LHB coaches with Kaifiat Express. Exactly 20 days after the 20 days of Kalingut Express, one more train is derailed in UP itself. UP to Bihar, nearby UP and Bihar border. Kaifiat Express. See, how the coaches is looking like. Is this looking like accident train? Next slide. See, this is thread coupling system. Sorry, center buffer coupling system. Total is given a total rod. It completely held by a total fixed rod. This much of solid rod. It won't lose its connection when train was derailed. It won't lose its connection, guys. Next. This is slide. Is this train looking like accident? No. Next. Train speedness and maintenance. Next slide. Trains with ICF coaches. Higher maintenance is required in ICF coaches, guys. It can stable up to 100 to 120 km per hour. I said it in introduction of my topic itself. But in whereas LHB coaches, lower maintenance is required in LHB coaches. Why? Because its construction of the material is total varies from the ICF coaches. It's totally contains aluminium and cast iron, whereas ICF coaches is completely iron and somewhat cast iron. It can stable up to 130 to 200 km per hour. I have seen this kind of speed in any train. In ICF coaches, we can suffer in these trains. We can observe in Gundakal Raichur passenger itself. The train speed would be 100 to 105 km per hour. But whereas you won't see this kind of speed. In next slide, I have put a video clip on Gatiman Express. I have told you in level 3 seminar. Gatiman Express is the fastest train in our India. I will show you with my video clip. Just play it. Sir, volume.
Control plus upward button.
No, sir. We can control with the system itself. Just to refer the sounds is coming from the track. This is how Gatiman Express at a maximum speed with the LHB5 coaches. Now I am coming to conclusion, guys. India has no need of bullet trains at present. India has no need of bullet train at present. Just to focus on it. Conclusion, guys. Better to concentrate on LHB coaches of trains. Better to concentrate on LHB coaches. Replace total ICF coaches by LHB coaches. Better to replace total ICF coaches by LHB coaches. Next. See, this is my main intention of my topic. There is no need of bullet train. I have put a cross mark to bullet train at this current situation. Now, central government should do its duty to replace this kind of coaches to LHB coaches. Getting? Are you getting? Next. This is my final photo of my PPT. ICF is saying something. ICF coach is saying something. Just from 1995 till now, I have served you and Indian Railways for long. Now it's time to take retirement from this Indian family, Indian Railways family. Next. Thank you.
Thank you very much.